Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at the differences between will and will be. Well, have you seen a TV commercial of Munchy bourbon biscuits? They say bourbon is not a chocolate biscuit and a chocolate biscuit cannot be a bourbon. Just like that, will is not will be and will be cannot be will. They are different. So, after watching this video, I am sure you will not mix up these two words. However, they have something in common. Both will and will be are used for expressing the future tense. They both belong to the future tense. Okay, now let's take a look at the differences. The biggest difference is that will is a modal verb just like can, should, must, whereas will be is a be verb just like am, is, are, was, were. That's the main difference. Will is a modal verb. As I said, will is a word like can. If you can say she can sing, you can also say she will sing. They don't mean the same, but the structure is same. She will sing. So, after the word will, we use a do verb. Do verb is an infinitive. It could be come, go, eat, happen, take, understand, etc. You can use any do verb after will or any modal verb. But you need to keep this in mind. You cannot use will be with the do verb. Will be is not used with the do verb, but will is used with the do verb. For some strange reason, most Sri Lankans love the word will be more than will. Maybe it's because it's a beautiful word. For example, they say, it will be happen in the future. It will be happen in the future. That is incorrect because happen is a do verb. So there is no need of a be verb here. You can just say it will happen in the future. It's not be there. It will happen in the future. Another example, it will be take a lot of time. It will be take a lot of time is incorrect. Why? Because take is a do verb. So we just say it will take a lot of time. So now you got it. Now let's take a look at the word will be. Will be is a be verb, and as I already told you, it is a word like am, is, are, was, were. So it's very easy to use, and we use it mainly in a non-action sentence. What is a non-action sentence? For example, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. There is no action here. It's a non-action sentence. That's why we use am. Am is a be verb. If you can say I am a teacher, you can also say I will be a teacher in the future. I will be a teacher one day. Another example, the money is in your account. We can say this, and this is a non-action sentence. As you can understand, the money is in your account. You can also say the money will be in your account next month. The money will be in your account next month. So will is used with the do verb, whereas will be is used in a non-action sentence. And will be can also be used with ing, which means any be verb can be used with ing verb, doing verb. For example, if you can say, I am waiting for a bus, you can also say, I will be waiting for you. I will be waiting for you. Let's go for a recap now. Will is a modal verb, and modal verbs are only used with do verbs like come, go, eat, understand, etc. Whereas will be is a be verb and we use it in a non-action sentence, just like I will be a doctor. And also we can use will be with ing verbs as well. Example, I will be waiting for you. I hope you got a clear idea now. If you find my videos useful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a lovely day.